Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. Today we are talking about my favorite products from my least favorite brands, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, I didn't film this look, but you will find in the description box, like usual, everything that I have on my face. And actually today I tried a new hairstyle. I am the worst at doing hair stuff, so it's not the best, but I tried this bubbly braided thing and I really like it. So I will try it multiple times so it will look better, but I do enjoy it. I saw Angelica film a video like this and I decided to film it myself because it is very fun. And if any of these brands are your favorite, that is totally fine. I don't hate on this brand, just I will explain why they are not my absolute favorite brands. So the first brand that I want to mention is actually Too Faced, and I put it in here because I'm kind of disappointed in a brand because like 6-7 years ago Too Faced was one of my favorites. I had the peach palette and that was my favorite palette, and it was my first high-end palette and it was amazing. I still consider it a very good formula and nice palette overall. But these days they came out with the Italian Spritz. I was curious about that one and I heard really good things about it, but in general they are not releasing anything interesting and they are doing the same thing over and over again. The extreme plumping gloss it's selling, so let's do it a million times again and again and again. I don't like that, and I don't even like the plumping gloss. And then with the holiday palettes, they are always so ugly and so uninspiring, really. So that's the reason I put Too Faced in here. And my favorite product from Too Faced and my favorite brow gel in general, it is the Fluff and Hold Laminating Brow Wax. I actually opened this one today and my brows look incredible. It's always really nice to open a new product, and this one is incredible. I like it because it will fix my brow hairs up, but when I'm applying it, I have just 2-3 minutes where I can still just rearrange them a bit. So it is a bit of a flexible hold, but after like 3 minutes, it stays in place and they don't feel crunchy, but they are staying like this for the whole day. I really like it. It's a really good one. So this one is for sure my favorite from Too Faced. The second brand on my list is actually REM Beauty, and I heard other people being just unimpressed with this brand. I do like the packaging, the space theming and everything. Of course I love Ariana Grande, so that is that, but the products are just not the best. The lip gloss is just disappearing after 15 minutes or something. The eye products that I tasted, I didn't test the eyeshadow palette, but the metallic eyeshadow and the liquid one, they were both... The liquid one was unusable in my opinion. It was creasing all over the place and it was really ugly. And the metallic one was just a weird shade, so I was unable to put it all over the lid and just do a simple eye look. It was just a not flattering shade. So overall I was quite disappointed about the products. I heard that the foundation is pretty good, but right now I don't want a new foundation. But a product that I think it's really good, and in general it is a product that everyone kinda agrees that it is a good product, it is the highlighter. And I have it in Mama Earth. I think I did a mistake by purchasing the green one, because it's just... Do you see that I'm wearing a green Taupe highlighter? I don't think so, because I am wearing it today. But it is a nice product in general. Is it my favorite highlighter? No, for sure not. But this one, it's a nice product from REM Beauty. So if you really want to support the brand or you want to buy something from the brand, I think this one could be it. But I heard that the champagne shade is just a bit better. Next brand is Makeup Revolution, and what I don't like about this brand is that they are releasing so many products and they are doing so many collabs, and the collabs in general are just pretty ugly. They are doing so many weird shaped products and they are ugly. That is my own opinion, of course, if you like it. And they did some collaboration with Grinch, for example, and I do like Grinch, so I understand that if you really like the franchise that they are collaborating with, I understand that some products may be really cute, and it is nice as well that they are more affordable, but at the same time they should focus from time to time on their normal range, because they can do some really good products. I have actually two favorites from Makeup Revolution. I want to mention both because I think they are really good products. The first one is the cream bronzer, and I have it in the shade Light. This is so good and just effortless, and I really like it. It looks so good on the skin and it's so easy to apply. You can just use a sponge and put it directly in here, or just use a brush. I like using a flat foundation brush and just blending it on the cheeks. It's a really good product. And the other favorite is the Streamline eyeliner. So I just purchased the orange one, and then I was looking for a black eyeliner, and I decided to purchase the same line of eyeliner because this is so nice. The shade orange is really pigmented, really beautiful. Look at this shade. It's so nice, and they are from the drugstore. They are affordable. And this black one, I'm a bit sad that I didn't use this one today. I used the NYX one, and that one is just not the best. I don't love the NYX eyeliners that much. They have a bunch of shades and everything, but this one is way creamier, blendable, pigmented. And they are staying pretty well on the waterline as well, and they have multiple shades. I can't recommend these ones enough. They are so good quality. Next brand I have is, don't hate me, I know that this brand is a lot of people's favorite, absolute favorite brand, but I have E.L.F on my list. Let me explain. So in general, I do like the E.L.F aesthetic. They have pretty good packaging, and they are bringing the ideas from the high-end brands into the drugstore, which is great. But I didn't have the best luck with some of the products, most of the products. So because of that's the reason I'm putting E.L.F in here. I need to test more, and they for sure have good products at affordable prices, but I personally didn't have the best luck. That is only my experience, so I totally understand the hype with the brand and everything, but I just didn't like the powder, the luminous one, way too luminous for me. The primer, the gripping one, I understand that a lot of people are in love, and it is a good product, but it's not for me. I prefer something a bit more hydrating. I tried a concealer, the Chemo concealer, didn't like that. The foundation, not my favorite. So I didn't have the best experience, so that's the reason I'm putting E.L.F in here. But I have a product that I really enjoy, and it is the No Budge Shadow Stick. This is an amazing product. It is in Copper Chic. If you are curious about this product, I totally recommend it. It looks incredible on the waterline. You can just put it all over the lid and it looks really good. I really like this one. It's a really nice product. Last brand that I have is actually KVD, and for sure this brand had a lot of ups and downs throughout the years, but I feel like right now they are becoming a bit more popular again, which is great. And they have some really popular and viral products, but in my experience I just didn't like the formulas. I had an eyeliner that was so dry, unusable really, and then I tested the lipstick and it was so drying and ugly on the lips. I just decluttered both of those. And I tested some eyeshadow at some point and I did like it. So I don't have the best opinion about the products right now, but I do have a favorite from the brand and it is the Dazzle stick. And I have here the shade Green Flash. Is not the shade that I'm wearing today. I will, like I said, list it down below. This one is, it looks like this. It's so nice, so creamy, so shimmery, so easy to apply. I think this is a great product. It is expensive, but at least you get a really good formula and it is kind of special in a way, and it stays in place, doesn't crease. So this is for sure a favorite. It is a really nice product overall. So I am really happy that I decided to pick this one up. And it's for now the only product that I have from KVD in my collection. So these are all the brands. Like I said, I don't hate on any of these and I will for sure test something else in the future, but they are just not my top favorite brands. So please let me know in the comments what are your favorite products from your least favorite brands, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.